We are looking at how to pronounce this name. This is a geographical name that represents two things: the capital city of the Bahamas and a county in the state of New York, United States. The two pronunciations are different. If we're talking about the city, the capital city of the Bahamas, this is said as Nassau, Nassau, Bahamas. If we're talking about the county in New York, it is said as Nassau, Nassau County. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words and names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.